Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to talk about miscellaneous construction. So let me tell you the first meaning of miscellaneous. Of two items or things or person work together or we have to describe in a one sentence, that is called miscellaneous. And when we make the sentence structure, that is called miscellaneous construction. So finally, I'm going to talk about miscellaneous construction. I will give you the sentence in Urdu. You have to translate into English. I will give you the time to think, and after that, I will show you the right structure of the sentence. So, my first sentence is Usman और फैज़ान बागीचे में खेल रहे हैं. You can take your time and think about the right sentence, then I'll show you. Yes, maybe you're right. Usman and Faizan are playing in the park. This is a really simple one. And let's try another one. सना और उसकी सहेलियां बहुत मसरूफ़ हैं. सना और उसकी सहेलियां बहुत मसरूफ़ हैं. Take your time. Maybe you're right. Sana as well as her friends is very busy. Sana as well as her friends is very busy. Next sentence is नुमान और मैं इस स्कूल के तालिब इल्म हैं. नुमान और मैं इस स्कूल के तालिब इल्म हैं. This time you may be right. So let me show you. Both Numan and I are the students of his school. Both Numan and I are the students of this school. तुमने या तुम्हारे भाई ने मेरा कलम लिया है. Perfect. Either you or your brother has taken my pen. Either you or your brother has taken my pen. My next sentence, तुमने या तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने ये शरारत की है. Take your time to think and either you or your friends have made this mischief. Either you or your friends have made this mischief. ना तो शहान ने और ना ही सलमान ने अपना स्कूल का काम किया है. ना तो शहान ने और ना ही सलमान ने अपना स्कूल का काम किया है. Just think about the sentence. Probably you are right. Neither Shahan nor Sulman has done his homework. Neither Shahan nor Salman has done his homework. वो इतना ज़हीन नहीं है जितना कि मैं हूँ. वो इतना ज़हीन नहीं है जितना कि मैं हूँ. Oh, that's right. He is not so intelligent as I. He is not so intelligent as I. Maybe you were right. So I'm telling you the rules of grammar, that how can you make the right sentence structure according to the grammar rules. So this is the way that how you can make the sentence. If you really want to learn the tips and methods of miscellaneous construction, you can also text me in the comment box, or you can also learn from another platforms like ChatGPT or AI. You can search miscellaneous constructions and what are the methods of making the sentence. So you can go to know that how do you make the right sentence according to that rules. But in this video I'm going to show you the just structures of sentence, like what type of sentences are these. So my next sentence is जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. This is a common proverb. Maybe you are totally right. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. So my next sentence is तुम्हें ये काम करना ही पड़ेगा, ख्वाह तुम इसे पसंद करो या ना करो. Yes, you're right. You must do this work, whether you like it or not. You must do this work, whether you like it or not. My next sentence is एक खुददार आदमी भूखा मरना पसंद करेगा मगर भीख नहीं मांगेगा. एक खुददार आदमी भूखा मरना पसंद करेगा मगर भीख नहीं मांगेगा, यानी एक जिसको अपनी इज्जत प्यारी होती है, खुददार उसको कहते हैं. Maybe you're right. So, the right sentence, a self-respectful man would rather starve than beg. A self-respectful man would rather starve than beg. Starve कहते हैं भूखा मरना and beg भीख मांगना. Next sentence, ये इसी किस्म की किताब है जैसे कि तुम्हारी. This is the same book as yours. Yes, it was really simple sentence. I don't think so that you made wrong sentence. Probably not. So my next sentence is ख्वाह तुम कितनी ही कोशिश करो, तुम पहला इनाम हासिल नहीं कर सकते. ख्वाह तुम कितनी ही कोशिश करो, तुम पहला इनाम हासिल नहीं कर सकते. Take your time to think about this sentence. Yes, maybe you're right. However hard you may try, you cannot get the first prize. However hard you may try, you cannot get this first prize. So, the next sentence is चाहे कुछ भी हो, हम इस नदी को तैरकर अबूर करेंगे. चाहे कुछ भी हो, हम इस नदी को तैरकर अबूर करेंगे. Pause my video and take your time to think the right structure of this sentence. Yes, you are great at this time. We will swim across this stream, come what may. We will swim across this stream, come what may. So, in this sentence, I'm gonna tell you another phrase of come what may. Wherever you get this phrase, come what may, that means चाहे कुछ भी हो. In any kind of situation, I will get this. That mean is that come what may mean चाहे कुछ भी हो. You can use this phrase in any kind of sentences wherever you need to write चाहे कुछ भी हो, come what may. So my next sentence is जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ नईम एक दयानतदार लड़का है. This is a very common one sentence and I hope you will make the right structure of sentence. Yeah, perfect, right. Naeem is an honest boy as far as I know. Naeem is as an honest boy as far as I know. So my next sentence, तुम्हारे लिए बेहतर है कि चले जाओ. Yes, of course, this is better for you that you can go now, but according to the grammar, this is not right. So take your time, pause the video and think about the right structure of the sentence according to the grammar rules. तुम्हारे लिए बेहतर है कि चले जाओ. Yes, you had better go now. This is the right sentence according to the grammar. So guys, these were my sentences about miscellaneous construction. I hope you would like this. And if you really want to learn the tips that how can we make such type of sentences. So I will teach you in next video, but for that you have to leave a comment in the comment box. Then I got to know and I will make a video just for you. So take care, bye bye, have a good day.